Many people believe talent is the key to success. They think talented people are lucky. They believe talent makes life easier. But talent alone is never enough. Discipline is what truly decides the future. Lucas was a talented young man. From a young age, people noticed his ability. He learned quickly. He understood things faster than others. Teachers praised him. Friends admired him. Everyone said the same thing: "You are talented." Lucas believed them. Because things came easily, Lucas did not develop discipline. He did not practice regularly. He did not push himself when things became difficult. When challenges appeared, he lost interest. He believed talent would always save him. At first, Lucas did well. But slowly, others began to catch up. Some people were slower than him. Some struggled more. But they showed up every day. They practiced even when they felt tired. They did not quit when progress was slow. Lucas noticed this change, but he ignored it. Years passed. Lucas's progress slowed down. He still had talent, but his skills stopped growing. Meanwhile, people with discipline continued improving. They became stronger. They became more confident. They surpassed him. Lucas felt confused. He asked himself, "Why am I falling behind?" He was still talented, but talent without discipline had reached its limit. One day, Lucas met an old coach. The coach watched him carefully and said something simple but powerful. "Talent gives you a head start," the coach said, "but discipline decides who finishes the race." Those words stayed with Lucas. For the first time, Lucas realized the truth. Talent is a gift, but discipline is a choice. Discipline is built through daily effort. It is built through showing up, even when motivation is low. Lucas decided to change. He created a routine. Every day he practiced at the same time. Some days were boring. Some days were difficult. But Lucas continued. He learned to respect discipline. Slowly, his confidence returned. Not because things were easy, but because he trusted his effort. Lucas understood something important. Discipline does not promise fast results. Discipline promises real results. Talented people may start strong, but disciplined people finish strong. Discipline builds habits. Habits build success. If you rely only on talent, progress will stop. But if you build discipline, progress will continue. You do not need to be the most talented person. You only need to be consistent. Because in the end, discipline always beats talent.